In this video, I will show how to download Shotcut latest version. First of all, open Google Chrome. Type Shotcut latest version. You will get a list of options. Click on www.shotcut.org. The page will open. You give the name of current version, which is 26.4.30. You can download it for GNU Linux, MacOS, Microsoft Windows, depending on which operating system you are using. I'm using Windows OS, so I will choose the first one, Windows Portable zip. Once downloaded, you will get a zip file. You have to extract that zip file. Once you extract it, you will get a Shotcut folder inside that. You can see a Shotcut logo. Double click on it and it will open the latest Shotcut editor version. Once open, you can check the version by clicking on help. From that, you have to select about Shotcut. It will show you which version it is. So like this, you can download the latest version of Shotcut video editor.